Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use activity types in Pipedrive. This will help you stay organized, manage your tasks better, and keep your pipeline running smoothly. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Activities. This is where you can see all your upcoming tasks, calls, meetings, and deadlines. Next, at the top of the screen, click the plus icon to add a new activity. This will open a form where you can set up your task. At the top of the form, you'll see different icons. These represent activity types like call, meeting, task, and deadline. Choose the type that best matches what you want to do. For example, select Call for outreach, Meeting for appointments, or Task for general work. Now, fill in the details. Add a clear title so you know exactly what to do. Set the due date and time. You can also link the activity to a person, organization, or deal to keep everything connected. If needed, add notes with important details or talking points. You can also set reminders so you don't forget. Once everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Now you can use activity types to organize your work and stay on top of your tasks in Pipedrive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.